you did not, Dari.
Oh,
You look
yes.
good. You're so little.
You don't.
Oh. Going underneath the stars tomorrow.
Where are you going?
Underneath the stars tomorrow. Jazz Fest party. Yeah, he doesn't. He doesn't. It's so tall or anything like that.
He doesn't hang out.
And he only drinks like 2 beers.
Did he quit?
No, but this is a
He
deal
did?
about.
Oh, I want a picture of Sarah like that.
Yes. Look at the picture of you and I from the wedding.
She does one thing.
She's like, oh, I like those candles. Where'd you get those? No, see, I haven't seen
They
it.
should never.
No, you did not, Dari.
Oh,
You look
yes.
good. You're so little.
Yes.